Let's take a look at using the SafePy extension for Safari on iOS. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is to install SafePy from the Apple App Store. To do that, just go to the App Store and search for SafePy, install it from there. That'll give you an app icon on your desktop for SafePy. Opening it up shows two sections, one on how to set up the extension and a shortcut to open PyAI in the Safari web browser. Now there is a little bit of setup required for the extension. This is just how extensions work on iOS. The steps are laid out here. What we need to do is go to the iOS settings app, find the Safari web browser and its extensions option, and then turn on the SafePy extension within that. Let's walk through it. Okay, here's the settings app, it's the gears icon. Here we're looking for the Safari application. And in Safari settings, we're looking for extensions. You can see that the SafePy extension is here. It's listed. We want to go down here, and initially this will be turned off, so we want to turn it on by saying allow extension. And then we'll want to allow all of the listed websites. So select allow here. These will be ask by default. For convenience, just set those to allow. At this point now, the SafePy extension is set up and you can start using it immediately just by going directly in the Safari web browser to the Pi.ai website, or you can use the shortcut in the SafePy app to go there directly. This opens the PyAI website in Safari. Now, on iOS, browser extensions only work in the Safari web browser, so if you have a different default web browser, you won't see the SafePy extension. You'll need to use Safari. Okay, so when you go there as usual with the SafePy browser extension enabled, you'll see this call icon in the prompt field, and pressing that will start a voice conversation. We need to allow access to the microphone, and now the call is started, and as you'd expect when we speak, the SafePy extension transcribes our speech into text and sends it to Pi. So from here as well, we can change the settings for the browser extension. Clicking this icon, we can select our language, turn on and off sound effects, automatic interruptions, and so on. So that's it. Enjoy, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the Discord channel or send me an email.